Okay, I'm starting streaming then.
Seconds.
But we can't see.
Where is the
You got
live?
30 seconds. If you look in TG, I sent you the link.
Okay, right. I turned it off
Yep.
when. Oh,
We
can you
can
see?
the live.
You can see?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
I turned
Yes,
it
that
off
did
when,
work. Alright, cool. So we know
right.
that's working. That was just really a little bit because of the delay and a little bit of Cam kind of not expecting to see what he saw. So
Right, so
beautiful.
let me just put on stop. Now, we are live.
Morning, everybody. Hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. Time to do our usual spiel. Give me one sec. Now today, of course, we're going to give away another $5,000 account for anybody who's on stream. So thank you everybody for popping in. Good to have all our regulars here. Let's do our first check. So 20 minutes ago we had open. Not much happened there. No real data that I'd be overly concerned about in today's session. Very quiet indeed. Looking at the aggregate risk, what do we got showing here? We got US 30 coming off, FTSE coming off. European's a bit mixed because you've got Germany and the CAC pushing up, and S&P 500 and of course US 500, and the Nasdaq I should say, are coming down. So you'd have to probably say it's what, risk off? What's everybody's thoughts? It's not a real strong direction either way.
Yeah, it's not very strong.
Yeah, I mean, looking at copper and crude, they kind of had a reasonably strong couple of hours, but now they're starting to plateau out a little bit. But we will see how we go. In relation to settings, can't really see too much there. So, how about we do some admin? Morning, Max. Where are we at, Cass, in relation to running our 5K giveaway with our wonderful partners FundedNext? For
So,
those that are new to the stream, we are on phase 2 of a challenge with those guys. So we passed the first one in a couple of days, and we're going to try and pass phase 2 this week. So if you follow along with us, hopefully we'll show you how to pass a few challenges, and you'll also come on a journey and maybe get yourself a free challenge account as well. So Cass, how will we go about spinning the wheel, buddy?
yeah, so I'm just putting the names in. Give me about a minute, and we'll get to spinning the names. And you'll see it on the live on the YouTube. You might want to. Is the link in the chat for everybody who wants to see?
Beautiful. Don't forget to jump on, like and subscribe to videos.
Yeah.
Really goes a long way for helping the channel to grow. Euro's coming off.
Andrew, look where that ad bounced. Exactly what you were talking about.
Nice call, Mahendra.
Up in its tracks.
Guys, are your mics sounding, buddy?
My mic?
Yeah, it goes off
Yep.
a little bit, but it's alright. Right. So we are ready for the giveaway.
Okay.
Let's get it on to the YouTube. Are we ready to do the giveaway, guys? Everybody ready?
Everybody pumped? Let's go.
Alright,
So we
let's
can
go.
make some money trading.
The wheel.
Don't forget, anyone listening in here will hear it live, but the YouTube's delayed 15 seconds.
Yeah, the YouTube's delayed 15 seconds, but you will be able to see. Should I share my screen on Discord for everybody, just so they don't have to experience the delay, or do you want to see it on YouTube? I mean, you'll hear it either way, so
You'll hear it, yeah.
you'll hear it. Okay.
Let's-
Right. Whenever you're ready, give me a signal. Someone do a countdown for me.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Clear spinning. Let's go. Let's see who wins. It is Max. Max. Congratulations, Max.
Congratulations, buddy. That's excellent. Your
Nice.
$5,000 account coming your way, legend. Now, Max, can you do me a favour? Because there's a bit of admin that goes into it. Can you just PM me on either Telegram or here, and I'll have to just register a few details because they've given me a thing I've got to fill out, and then they will contact you directly, and you'll have an account. Good to go. Come on the stream. Hopefully, we can help you get through the challenge phase.
Well done, Max.
So that's congrats, buddy. And again, guess what? We're doing the same thing tomorrow.
Every
Jump
day.
on stream every day. All right. What are we saying? Pounds.
Gotta be on the stream to win it.
Yeah. In it to win it, literally.
All right. Euro's getting smoked. Euro's playing a bit of the wounded gazelle here. And I'll look at everything else. Swissy is a bit weak. No major setups. Hey, K-Man, are we all good to go with the bot for our FundedNext account?
Should be. I'll just do a double check later before New York starts.
Beautiful. Okay, well, I missed 400 trades whilst we've been doing 26 minutes of admin.
It's kind of takes away from trading.
There was a euro
That's
setup
it.
just then, but sorry, no,
What, for
pound
the
a pound
short?
setup. Pound setup, my bad.
Oh, yeah.
For the long,
Yeah.
actually.
Oh, nice one.
But
That
euro's going
Aussie
in the
is
opposite direction.
Yeah, Aussie's technically a setup, but looks a bit weak
Yeah,
without copper and oil, so I wouldn't be touching that one.
yeah. It's in between a high and a low.
What's happening, Hendrik? Okay. One other quick thing whilst I'm in admin mode, I've got quite a few DMs which I've got to respond to. So, I apologise, it's just there's a lot to get to and I was working on another project this weekend, so I will get back to everybody with their questions. But my admin has been very sloppy lately. Did we miss news on the euro or something? That
Nope.
price looks weird.
I think it's because of the
Same
gap on
direction.
Swissy, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, it seems to be going in the same direction as Swissy.
Even that pound strength is a little bit odd. Probably wish it should come off a bit. Sit on hands day for Hendrik. Fair enough. We got anyone new in here? No, most of the regulars.
Most of the regulars, yeah.
Yeah.
Or is it the euro that should come up? Mate, this DAX has been flying for such a long time. Sell-off could be quite brutal if it does a little retrace. Had an Aussie going in the same direction, that's a bit suspect. Commod's coming off.
Don't like that.
Maybe it's going to have a bit of risk off into the session. Meaning the pound might come off a bit, the Aussie might come off a bit, CAD might push up a bit, Swissie might push up a bit. Only time will tell. Well, they'll all push up and make me look stupid. It's entirely possible as well. Come on, that's what I want to see.
CAD rising a little bit. So is the Swissie.
Yeah.
Is that a setup on the euro for a sell? Yeah, it is.
Technically, yeah.
And the Swissie's rising now, so.
Are you on the FN account?
No, I'm on the Go Markets account. Should I be on the FN account? I don't really have access to it.
No. I was just saying, we've got to get through our minimum days is all. So I'm just going to say, hang out a small lot. If you see something that you like, but it's no big deal. Like,
Yeah.
I'll do it from my phone. How'd you go? Did you hear back from the other funding mob?
Who?
The ones that you passed?
Oh,
That you
Cortana. I've
waiting a
got.
payout?
Let me actually look. Give me a second. I've got maybe like 1 day left until payout.
We've got 2 days.
Something
yeah,
like that. Let me
thought it
just
was
have a
2.
look. I'll have a look. I'll have a look. Give me a second. Yeah, I did ask them about the 50%, but they just sort of gave me. They just copied and pasted what they said in the rules. My question was, my biggest trade was $577, but my profit is 1,157. 1,157 halved is 578.5. Now, 577 was my biggest trade. It is technically smaller than 578, but only by $1.50. So is it still counted as less than 50%? But they didn't say yes or no. They just sort of said, well, if you make $20,000, then you can't have a trade which is $10,000. That's it. And just, told me about the rules. But let me just see how many days I got left until payout, and we'll find out for real. Let's see. Withdraw funds. Yeah, I've got 1 day and 8 hours until payout. So we'll find out.
How long do they take to pay out, do they say?
Well, I've got to do KYC. I don't know how long that takes, but apparently, from what the reviews say, they pay out very, very quickly. So I'll find out.
Well, congratulations. Well done.
Cheers.
Get it?
Let's see if I get
Sure
it. Let's
they-
hope we will.
I'm sure they will. Like,
I mean, as far as I'm aware, I
Yeah,
haven't broken any rules.
no one's going to be in business if they just don't pay people.
No, that's right.
I'll make sure to leave a very angry review on Trustpilot if they if they don't pay me out.
Okay, the only holdout on this is the pound. Everything else is kind of doing what we thought it was going to do, moving into this risk-off structure. Except for the pound. Pound's being stubborn. Pound's being very stubborn. Now it's starting to do its thing.
Yep, turning around now. Or at least making it seem like it. Those huge wicks topside.
Mm-hmm. Being a bit too stubborn, actually.
Yeah. Oh, it's moving up now. Oh, would you look at that? Euros hit the low of Asia, bouncing off of it, wicked. Off a book as well.
Wonder how long it can withstand the onslaught. It might just turn right from here.
Yeah.
Euro might be technically setting up for another short as well.
Mm-hmm. Unless Swissy continues moving down, then I'd be convinced that it's probably going to bounce off this Asian low. Maybe continue up. I'm not sure. But, I mean, looking at the IG, we're quite red, aren't we? So.
Yeah, it's looking like a risk-off day, so we should expect some US dollar strength to start creeping in there.
Uh-huh.
Order. Can you let it hit my TP first?
What are you in?
I'm in a pound any day, Aussie.
Pound in the Aussie. Oh, you've been in Aussie for a while then, haven't you?
He's
Yeah,
held
just
Aussie for a
managing
while.
risk. Nothing too dramatic here. Up down 2 pips.
Right. Pound, did you just get in, or well, like 3
No.
candles ago?
4 candles ago.
4 candles ago. Fair play to you, mate. Where's your stop loss on that?
Open stop loss. I'm just gonna manage it as it goes.
Alright.
Come on.
Come on, man.
Pound dumping now. Seems like it's made up its mind.
And my only question is, do I want to sit through another 5 minutes of this? Because it's putting up too strong a fight. It's freaking me out. Should be way off. When things don't sort of happen exactly, well, not exactly, but as they should, I do get a bit sus on them.
Usually get out at that point, yeah. You don't sit through another 5-minute candle waiting.
Yeah, I'm going to take my profit, a pip and a half or something. So I don't like it sitting there too long. You still in, Kaiser?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, what's going on in the
Just,
JPY? Look at the USD JPY.
I'm out.
What the hell just happened on the USD JPY?
Pumping.
the wrong
Everything's
direction.
having a bit of a run.
Holy. Is this the bank
I think-
intervention?
Wow. I think
Whoa,
Okay.
it's still going, it's still going. Look at that. 50 pips. In what, a
CNY
minute? In
yellow folder.
1 minute candle. 50 pips. That was. No, let's check IG. Let's check IG. Good old IG. What are
No,
you telling me?
CNY.
Mahindra was just saying. Yeah, listen to Mahindra.
Oh,
No, there is a CNY news, the yellow folder all the day.
China stocks rebound as ETF volume suggests buying by state fund.
New loans, M2 money supply, both are there. I think CNY new loan is the main impact.
Where are you reading this, Mahendra?
Forex factory.
I'm reading off of IG.
Let me post for you.
Oh, okay. But did the new loans data just come out, buddy? Mahendra?
Yes, Cameron.
Did the new loans data just come out?
Yep.
Oh, it just came out, did it?
BOJ said to see little need to end negative rates in December. That's what drove it. It's just come out on Live Squawk.
Oh, I see.
Well, that'll do it.
It's definitely done it. And there was the short seller that you called, Cameron, on the euro.
Yep. So the pound went down, the Aussie went down. Although the pound gave a bit of grief on its way down. I only took a pip and a half out of that. Sucked. Caddy was just a setup, but we didn't take it because we were trying to work out what the hell was causing that yen move.
Yeah.
I
It's still
tracked by
going.
yen.
Still going.
I'm just going to make a quick phone call, guys.
No worries.
$16 minutes to London Open now too.
Yeah.
Take a whiz. Be right back.
All right.
72 on UJ, it's still going. Still going.
Yeah.
Correction. Make that 4 on UJ, still going. 76.
Pushing the pound down. Get the pound. Holy.
Why she stops? Yeah, pound out a big move now. Drake, 4 pips on AU. Well done. Job.
Nice one, mate. Euro wicking. GU starting to wick. Let's have a look at the US 30 real quick. Could be a buy setup on there.
Kind of went back against the untrended team.
250.
21 bar had a bit of a sticker top. Six pips on GU from Silent PZ. Well done.
Nice,
But
dude.
look at the,
Ooh, there's the Euro move. Boom. Another move down. Swissy's pushing up with it, so good sign.
Is K still in the Aussie?
No, I got out long ago.
Oh, right. That's
Would be
looking good
nut.
for you.
Would be nuts holding that, man.
Mm.
It was long.
Did you get in on the Euro, Kaiser?
Wanted to, but didn't have much range, much clean range in my opinion for me to take a good one. So left
Like
it up.
what, on the 30-minute?
Yep.
Yeah, you're right, actually. It
Only
is
a
close.
3.6 pips. It's not enough anything decent. Might as well not.
Cameron, look
Yeah.
at the GBP JPY.
You took that, did you say?
No. Look at the GBP JPY.
Look at
So
it.
pound is so strong compared to JPY right now.
Oh,
So strong.
shoot. Yeah, look at
It's not
that.
because of the pound, it's the
It's
JPY
the
just
JPY.
dumped.
Yeah, the JPY's weakness. That's what it is. 100 pips? What the?
Wow.
Yeah, the pound is really strong as well. I mean, on the GBP USD. Stronger than the
It
euro.
is.
We've seen a little bit of a push up on the indices.
Yeah. But then they've, if you look at the DAX, that's sort of wicking
Yeah.
to the downside as well. So who knows if they're just trying to catch their breath before they continue on.
Yeah, it's just strange because if you look at the Dixie as well, it's moving up. Sorry, go on, guys.
No, nothing. BOJ officials see little need to end the world's last negative interest rates this month. Just in from Bloomberg. Sorry, it's lagged, I know.
That's laggy, yeah, I reckon. But Bloomberg was supposed to be on point. Maybe not.
Well, Live Squawk got it out first. So they're always, that's pretty good.
So, yeah, it's on point.
What's the footsie doing? Yeah, footsy's
Seems like
coming off
moving
too.
down. Yeah, it's moving down, isn't it?
Mm,
As you said,
yeah.
the DAX is too. The DAX wick to the upside, moving down. But the pound USD is just wow.
You were being Mahendra. You just made me 10 pips. I took a short on the GJ.
You
Perfect
took it
timing,
backwards.
buddy. All right, back to the real strategy now. What are we seeing? Anything that we like? CAD keeps marching ahead. A nice trade too. Euro's going to keep coming down.
Long the UJ. The setup. Just saying.
Oh yeah, it is. Anyone got the balls to take it?
Not me, I tell you that.
Isa's got balls. I'll take any.
Nope. Done trading
Oh,
that pair.
oh, that must be a pair there. He's not taking it.
Hendrick said US 30. Maybe. The only thing I don't like of the US 30 is it did do a lot of volume right before open. So that's the only one thing that makes me a tiny bit nervous on the US 30. It's worth keeping an eye on. You'd probably want to wait to see London get its job done and a retrace back up to it. But it was wicking off it for like 15, 20 minutes just before Frankfurt Open. So a lot of business could have gotten done there. Margin on the UJ with the challenge account. No problems, Hendrick. Anytime. Like I say, I'll still be watching for it because, like, it happens more often than not. But yeah, you just really you're just trying to ask yourself is how much business can be done at that price after the markets are closing in Asia. All right, 1 minute left. Any setups?
UJ.
UJ. Oh, it is. Anyone watching at home, you'd need to have your stop about 10 pips from here. And you want to see a pump above the previous body of the candle. Extremely high risk trade. and I won't be taking it. But I'm pretty confident someone in the stream will, if it goes.
Pound just wicking both ways, ain't it? While the euro just dumps.
Yep. Just having a look at our other little testing bot, Peppy. That's coming along nicely. Peppy not here.
Where's he at?
Maybe not.
Maybe he had to go back to work. I think he was at work though, wasn't he?
Yeah. So ever since we got that problem fixed, it's just been a nice little curve upwards.
Yeah.
Right on the stream for anybody that's interested. Some of the fun things we get up to. You want to follow along at home? You can see our first couple of days we had a bit of a program error. Got smoked, but then it's just been nice little move to upwards.
Yeah.
Ever since. Slow and steady. That's the sort of bot you could throw on a $200,000 account and not lose too much sleep over. Sure, you wouldn't make 30% a month, but you
Wow, the euro. Damn, son.
Euro down to its fix. So where does that thing? Where do you think the cat? Oh, hang on. Swissy's already above it.
Pound. The yen. The Aussies got set up there.
Anyone take the UJ?
I thought someone did.
Can I say me?
Are you in it?
Yep.
Nice.
17 pips.
Jeez.
Beautiful.
18.
Oh.
20.
22 pips.
Go on. 20, 21, 22.
Get out,
23.
get out. You gotta get out, bro.
Alright, got out. 23 pips. That was just some quick fun. 24 pips.
Nice one.
Now it's gonna
Silent
keep going.
TZs. GU, good work.
Recovered my loss from the AU and the GU with a slight bit of profit. Not complaining.
You're gonna be cranky when it pushes up another 40.
No, I'm not. This is too high risk. I'm happy with 24.
Yeah, nice trade, buddy.
It went down 7. I kept mine at 10.
Oh, well, it's good to see a trade do what it should. Although, I must admit, I did not touch that one. I don't know what these people in Japan have been doing lately, but geez, they've been swinging the yen a bit.
Alright. London could set in for some nice shorts for the GU and the AU. I'm looking forward to that.
He's pumping right now too.
The euro moving down. I think it
As
looks
it pulls
good.
back.
Maybe not touching
Very
the
still
GU.
a little bit slow.
AU probably has a higher chance.
It's definitely
They're using the congestion spot.
trading the GJ. That's hardcore.
I miss it really.
What, the GJ?
Yeah, I really miss it actually.
Yeah, a lot of people love the GJ.
Remember, like on normal days, 60 pips easy.
Ed's trying to set up for a buy, but we're coming.
Casanova has a friend that trades only the GJ. And it's
Hmm.
rich trading the GJ.
Yeah, he got a 90k payout the other day from TFT.
Did he?
Yeah, he makes money like he's crazy. He makes about like 20k a day just from trading forex on funded firms. I think yesterday or not yesterday, but on Friday, I think he made 18k on gold or GJ. Can't remember. He just trades a
Do you
few
know his?
tickets.
Do you know his strategy?
He literally just trades like support and resistance with a few candle patterns. So he'll go onto the daily time frame or the 4 hour. He'll look for like a strong level of support and resistance. He'll look for it to either break through and then come back to it, and support turns into resistance, and then he'll look for like a candle pattern, like three crows or what's it called, three white soldiers, and then or an engulfment pattern on the 15 minute, and then he'll enter, and then he just scales in like a madman. That's how he makes all his money. He just scales in like really, really aggressively, but he's always only risking 1% at one time, and he just makes like shitloads of money doing it.
He must have big balls.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. I'll tell you that. He like every day he texts me. He's showing me like 20k moves, 20k trades, stuff like that. Made 8k on gold, this, that, and the other. See it all the time. Cool guy. He got rich from
Yeah.
crypto.
Did he?
Yeah.
Has he ever shown you how to trade?
He showed me a strategy. Yeah, like I met him in the MFF Discord about in 2020, like late 2020. And he showed me how like his strategy, but I was a bit of a strategy hopper at the time, and I couldn't commit to anything because I was an idiot. But yeah, we're still good friends.
Should get him to come on stream. Do some big balls trading.
He's your average sort of Gen
get
Z
him
millionaire,
live.
to be honest.
Huh?
Like
Get him live if he wants.
he's the average Gen Z millionaire. He doesn't particularly like he's not interested in streams and stuff like that. If you know what I mean. He just likes to sit inside and play League of Legends all day as a millionaire.
Oh well, good luck to him.
Aussie breaks is low, I'm taking it. Past all the congestion.
He could
Dad's
break.
coming off hard.
That's true.
Pound and euro and Swissy pushing in the same direction.
Story of my life. Didn't want to take euro because it was unclean. Ran 10 pips.
Okay, that was open 2 minutes ago.
Yeah.
That's how boring opens we've got. We never forget that they're happening.
Pound looks ugly as hell.
Yeah, not touching that shit.
Sounds
Been an
messy.
inch.
Any wicks.
It's
Wickety
ridiculous.
wickwits.
Look at Euro, Swissy, and CAD. All are in the same direction.
Yeah, that's really peculiar.
Alan TZ 14 pips for today so far. He's doing well after last week or after 2 weeks.
Wow, this guy is a milking it, man.
He's doing well.
Yeah, well done, mate.
Good stuff.
We need to get him an account.
Nice work, Dallas. 10 pips EU. Good stuff.
Very nice.
Yep, that was the entry for my.
CAD's really getting belted now relative to the Aussie. That's a bit weird.
Seems like the USD majors are not really moving, but the others are.
Seems like it's all running off the euro and the yen.
it's just absolutely had its ass handed to it. Back down to the bottom swing.
And look at the pound, it wouldn't budge.
They didn't put a lot more wicks up. Just made it more
Mm.
wicky.
I'm glad I got out of it when I did, because this would have been infuriating. Watching everything getting smashed except the pair you're in.
Yeah,
I've done that. Yep.
about that.
Oh, we've all been there.
Right, guys, I'm gonna head off. Head home.
Cheers, buddy.
See you later, man. Take care.
Catch you all later on. Yep. Enjoy, everyone. Have a good night.
Aussie's pumping now. Stocks are pumping now. This will be interesting, Hendrik, to see what the US dollar does. 2-to-1 risk reward minimum. That's taking it right to the bottom of the swing. Gonna have to be a big move, big change in sentiment. No, another big wick off the DAX. No, it's firing back. Strange looking day. But profitable nonetheless. Got to be happy with that. Euro setting up. Anyone like that one?
Nope.
Me either. Straight off the fix.
Come on, cat. Reverse here, and I can take it Aussie short soon.
Crude's back to $71 a barrel. Wouldn't have thought that was going to be the case. 71.6. Crude's getting smashed now. Maybe your short call is correct.
Sorry?
Stock's trying. I said maybe your short call on the Aussie's correct because spot crude's getting smoked.
Hopefully. Because the Aussie short is very clean all the way down. So it's a much higher probability of getting something out of it. But the cat needs to behave first. Okay, maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah, they're all rejecting. Stock's trying to remain. Mate, that pound is just unshakable today, isn't it?
Yeah. It is flying now. Hit the low of Asia. Boom.
I'm in though, the pound.
Nice.
Just for a quick one. Not a bit too long.
Caddy setting up for short.
Yeah, if the pound holds actually, hoping to bring the Aussie up, the cat could be a nice shot as well. Euro just had a very convincing reversal kind of first movement.
Stefan Ennis says stocks will risk off until those UJ moves drove market sentiment all over the place. Yeah, it did. It's equities. The moves aren't sort of huge, but they're very range or swingy, I should say.
There goes pound wicking again.
In hell, this guy's an idiot.
The Aussie seems to want to go down though. I mean, it looks like a pound that suggests it wants to move down. So.
Yeah, well, it looks like if you have a look, there's some pretty big wicks on that DAX. Every time it tries to make a push, it just gets hammered down. So that's it's from a risk perspective. Like they keep trying to stage a comeback, but it might just be because the DAX has just gone up like parabolically lately. So it's due a very big pullback.
And look at the FTSE.
Yeah.
Dump it.
How long can this pound hold up? That's the real question.
Yep. Whoa.
Yeah, the equities look like their moves just suckering people in to keep dumping.
Do you guys? Well, I mean, did you see that gap on the pound just then? It gapped down instead of up. That was a huge gap.
Really? I don't have a gap, man.
For me, I got a 1.5
Yeah.
pip gap on it. I don't know. Maybe it was my internet connection.
Yeah, maybe your internet connection.
It gapped down though, so there's no actual physical gap between the candles, but sort of gap to the downside after that wick. Aussie still falling, CAD's rising, Swissy moving down. A little bit of a mixed bag.
Stocks are trying to push up again. Probably wick down.
FTSE still dumping.
Fucking hell, the pound.
Are you still in it?
Yep, got out just now.
Alright. Break even or?
Nope, loss.
Damn.
Break even on the account and break even on today's wins.
It's all good, man. What, even on the UJ win?
Yeah, the UJ gave me a slight profit, so
Shit.
tricked me twice today. Shame on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that pound's been a hard play all session.
I think he'll come down. Just got a feeling.
Yeah, it won't stick around forever if everything else keeps getting smoked. But the first clue was that first little short we took, where it worked out, but it was like really hard going to get there.
Uh-huh.
It's a good sign that it's going to be dicking around a bit. What do you think about the Aussie Kaiser?
Still waiting for it to go slightly lower before I take a short.
Big round number at 63.5, which is 4 pips away also. Or 65.5,
as well.
sorry. Pound's just pushing back up again.
Yeah.
It's a fucking asshole, man.
So something for you, Cam, in the chat. Cam, I've heard you mention Go Markets. I need to set up a new account in the new year as my current account has large spreads compared to Go Markets, and the leverage of my current account is not good. I see Go Markets are registered in Mauritius. Do you know how long have they been in business, and have you had any problems whilst you have been trading with them?
Okay. Go Market's been around about 18 years. Their primary office is registered in Australia under Australian laws and regulations under an AFSL, which is very, very strict. I've known their head of risk for about 25 years. I've known the head of premium clients for about 15 years, and I've known the CEO for about 14 years. I've had zero problems with them. They love us. They really look after us. They use our link, and then we can assist you with any queries that you've had, but never had a problem with them. They're a top tier broker. They're not like rinky-dink shady operators. They're like, you know, one of the big boys. So I'm certain you'll love them. We've got a lot of our guys who use them, and everybody seems pretty bloody happy. So that's my feedback. It's my personal endorsement of Go. I love them.
Yeah.
And if we have any problems, we call up and they fix it up for us straight away. But we haven't had to call them because they're really good. And they can also handle big size as well. What country are you from, Craig?
He's from the UK.
UK? Beautiful. You'll get 100-to-1 leverage on that as well. I'm not sure if the UK still have 30-to-1 leverage restrictions. F?
I think in
You
the
know?
UK we can get 1 to 100. I think
Okay,
we get
beautiful.
higher than. I mean, with IC markets we get 1 to 500. So I'm pretty sure Go markets can do 1 to
Yeah.
200 as well. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Also, if you guys do any size, like if you trade reasonable volume, just message me because they will do some other stuff with you directly that they can't do to retail markets, but you just got to satisfy certain criteria. But yeah, they're really good.
Henrik went long on the EU.
Hard to get in.
Yeah. Tell you what's hard to get in though, the pound. Look at that.
Mm. Yeah, you'll be really happy, Craig. They're very good, mate.
Make sure to use the Go Plus account for the best spreads, best execution times, and a good feed.
Yeah, the Plus account's way cheaper. Geez, I'm going randos today. I took a little short on the DAX. Haven't done that in ages.
How did that go?
Yeah, good. Looks like it's just engineered to roll down for a long time. So it keeps wicking up, trying to sucker people in who have been logging the crap out of it for the past month, taking all their orders and then rolling over. I'm only telling you that because it worked. School holidays, guys, so I'm going to be out of here in 8 minutes. That's okay.
Yep.
For any of you who are on the YouTube, oh yeah, we should probably explain. If you're on the YouTube, Discord descriptions in the chat. Jump on, it's completely free. We do this every day. We teach our strategies to people for free. Come along and join us, and I'm sure you'll have a good time.
Definitely will.
Kaiser, that pound must be pissing you off, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
Stephen Innes asks, following your answer on Go Markets, do you use them for prop accounts or CFD? No, I use them as a proper broker. I don't generally trade prop firms as a rule. And yeah, for even if you're trading off a prop firm, actually, this is a really good tip, and it's not my tip. The guys came up with this tip, right? So if you got these prop firms that sometimes trigger you out of stops and all of that sort of stuff, not FundedNext, but some of the less reputable ones, obviously.
Yep.
Well, the guys came up with a great idea. So what we do is we will run a proper Go Markets account, right? And that's where we set our stops and our take profits because we know that they're a really great broker. And we've got the copier set up. So if it gets taken out on our Go Markets account, it'll immediately close the trade on the prop account. So why do we do that? Well, if you've got a prop firm that's starting to wick you in and out, right? And Go Markets isn't going to do that. Well, all of a sudden, you're not getting wicked on your trade, so you still stay in the same position. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So like that's what we do, and it works brilliantly. So all you got to do is throw $100 into a Go Markets account, and you're good to go. It's not like $1 million. And then think about it: if it just saves you from one wick out with a prop firm, well, you're good as gold. So you make sure you got no stops or take profits on your prop firm. You basically run them all through your proper tight tight brokerage, and yeah, if they try and wick you out, you're still going to be holding the position. But if it does go against you, it will take you out as it should. Been
Yeah.
really, really impressive for the profitability on some of those bots.
Basically, the stop loss and the take profit aren't copied over to the prop firm. So the thing that's copied over is actually the actual trade itself. So it might, for example, on the prop firm, it might go to the stop loss and the spread might take you out. But then if you're on the trade on the Go Markets, because the stop loss hasn't copied over, it doesn't take you out on the prop firm. So you'll stay in. And it really helps.
Yes, Craig, that's correct. The lot size that is often quoted for all brokers is on one standard lot. So if you do a tenth of a lot, you pay a tenth of the commission. If you do 100 lots, you pay 100 times the commission. All right, guys. Well, look, I think I might call it a night. Hasn't been a bad session. Bit of a challenging session on a couple of pairs, but I think everybody got out pretty well unscathed. Max, I've got to do admin, buddy, so have your account sometime tomorrow. I just got to grab your details. I've got to fill out forms and all that sort of stuff. And for anybody else who's keen, we'll be doing the same thing tomorrow. If you want to throw your hat in the ring for a free challenge account, trade along with us. Hope to see you soon. All right. Have a great one, guys.
See you later, guys. See you, YouTube.